Hello everyone. In today's episode of Words Often Confused, I am going to discuss two words, criteria and criterion. These two words are highly confused by people. Especially many people even don't know this other word criterion. There is no difference in their meanings. The difference lies in their usage, right? The word criteria is a plural of the word criterion. Criterion is singular, criteria plural. Just as student singular, students plural. Similarly, criterion singular, criteria plural. We cannot say one criteria, just as we cannot say one students. It will be incorrect. We have to say one student. Similarly, we have to say one criterion. We cannot say a criteria. A criteria, this is also incorrect, because we cannot use a or an for plural nouns. Just as we cannot say a students, right? We have to say a student. Similarly, I have to say a criterion, not a criteria. Plus, we cannot say criteria is. This is also incorrect. Just as we cannot say students is, we have to say students are, or students have, or students were. Similarly, I have to say criteria are, criteria were, or criteria have. Criteria have changed, criteria were going to change, criteria are going to change. If you want to say is, then the criterion is going to change, or the criterion was going to change. We cannot say criteria was. Criterion was going to change. So we need to be careful when we use the word criteria, when we use it in the singular form. If you want to use the singular form of criteria, we must use the correct singular form of criteria, and that is criterion. So let's take this example. There are various criteria to judge the performance. Various criteria, right? Various means many, different. So are various criteria. The example of criterion, we used only one criterion to select the method, because there is a word one, there is a word criterion. This sentence would have been wrong if I had said we used only one criteria. If I had said criteria instead of criterion, it would have been wrong. The correct word in this sentence is criterion, because there is only one criterion. Thank you.